He had it right, you know, making it his mission to destroy the beast so that you could grow up in a better world.
He changed his mind.
And look where that got him. So let's get to the point. I am the Night Fury killer. I've hunted every last one of the black heroes. You are going to give me